Hi everybody. I just wanted to take a minute to introduce you to the layout of your Schoology course. So when you log in, this is what you should see. It might look a little bit different because this is my teacher page and you'll be looking from a student view. So you may not have all of the left side tabs as I do, but when you log in, you should see my Bitmoji. And then if you scroll down, you'll see that there are folders. So on my view, I have click here first, and then week 1, welcome to English 9. Your weeks will always be labeled. They'll be labeled with a different color folder. You'll be able to click into it to see what is happening for that particular week. Once you click into the week, you will notice that other folders are listed and they also have the date. So the orange folder is for Monday. You can click on the arrow to the side and see everything that's listed in that folder, or you can simply click on the day and go right into the folder. At the top, you'll notice that the very first page says today's task. That will be listed on every day for you. So you'll be able to read through and see exactly what it is that you are supposed to be doing for that day. Always check this first. Then, when you think you're finished for the day, go back and check it again. Read through all of the tasks for that day and make sure that you did indeed complete everything that was listed. So going back out, you can see that we have apps and OneDrive for 2020. If I click into that, there is a section for you to read, and then you'll be directed to go to the self-service, which is circled there in yellow, and make sure that you pull out everything that is listed down the page to number 12, which is Flipgrid. I do want to point out number 4, Microsoft OneDrive. It's an app that you will be using probably daily. Once you have that pulled out from self-service, you'll go in and open it by logging in using your GCASD username and password. Once you open it, I want you to go in and make a new file titled English 9. You will be downloading and saving documents definitely weekly, sometimes daily, and I want you to have everything in one folder so that you can go back and access it with ease. Likewise, once we start writing and we do revision and editing, you'll be doing that in your OneDrive folder. So let's go back out, and I'm going to show you a couple of things. Let's look at the syllabus first. So when I click on syllabus and it loads, you'll notice that in Schoology it looks a little wonky. So notice the English 9 is bumped down, room 207 is bumped into my picture. That's just the view because it is smaller on an iPad. To fix that, anytime something doesn't look right, you're going to click the arrow that is next to the hand. I just put a little box around it there, and it's going to ask you, do you want to download? You do. So click download, and then up at the top of the screen there's a little arrow inside a circle. Click on that. That's your downloads. And then you want to click on whatever it is that you downloaded. Get rid of that. And there is the document. However, we have to be sure we save it. So again, up in the right-hand corner are 3 little dots. Click on the dots and go down to where it says Save a Copy. Click on Save a Copy, and you'll notice we're in my OneDrive. So I'm going to scroll down to my English folder, and here's my English 9 folder. We can see that I've already saved a copy of it, but had I not already saved a copy, in the upper right hand corner it says save. I hit save and it goes right into that folder. Now I can access it over and over if I need to. okay? So I'm going to cancel out of that. I'm going to minimize and go back into Schoology.